You may be relieved to know there is an even easier way to do the task we just did in 3 minutes to do it in about 30 seconds. Let me show you that now. The columns I want are this column, B. I also want the fuel type, but if I click on G, it deselects my other one. However, if you click on the column that you first want and then hold down the control button and then click on G, you can see both of them are now selected. I also want the noise level over here and the emissions here, and I'm still holding control down. You can see that marked at the bottom. Now I can let go of control and nothing has happened. Those 4 columns that I wanted are still selected, and if I press Control C, which is the shortcut for copying, you can see that the dashed lines, which you're so familiar with now that tell you something has been copied, are now around the 4 columns that I wanted. This is looking good. If I go to a blank worksheet and click where I want it to go and press Control V to do the shortcut for paste, lo and behold, all the data I wanted, the 4 columns I wanted, have turned up and none of the columns in between. That's a very quick way of grabbing the columns of data that you need and pasting them into a new sheet.